On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to finally install the lift. I have an installation date, but first we have to drive home and bring some tools in here because I have to have as much tools as I can before I have the lift, because in the day that I'm going to install the lift, I'm going to receive the new project car for this year or this month. So let's begin. Another winter morning. Let's start the shop car. Let's drive to the shop to finish everything that we can in there and to prepare everything for the guys that are going to install the lift. I've changed my mind a little bit. We are going to leave the shop car, the Fiat, in here because we have to drive the 4 Series. I know it's not good for the seats and everything, but I put some stuff here on the passenger seat, and the trunk is full of tools. Yep, we are going to drive now to the shop and put everything in there. I have to come once again, of course, or 2 or 3, 4 times more. I've took a lot of stuff from here, from there, in here. Yeah, let's hope the car will start. Let's try first. But either way, if it's not going to start, I'm going to put it on the charger for a few minutes, and after that, yep, starts. I'm not sure why I'm doing this on these days when so cold is, but I have to move a lot of stuff, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to make this trip for like 10 times, that's for sure. Yeah, let's unload what we have in the car, put somewhere in there everything, come back and do this once again, and the next days the guys that are going to install the lift are going to be here, and after we have the lift installed, we know for sure where we have to put the workbench and everything, and we can arrange everything. But for now I just want to have everything in there, and I have a lot of stuff. You don't think that you have so many parts till you have to move. We are here, and check this out. We can drive inside now because apparently the entrance is done. So let me open the door and maybe we can back the car inside. Can we fit the car? Yeah, for sure. So let's see if we can make it happen. It's kind of tight, but it's going to fit. Yes, it's going to fit. Perfect, we are inside. Oh, I have the heater in there. This is the first car inside the new shop. So it's pretty damn good because we have a lot of room everywhere. So we can fit for sure with the lift in here, 2 cars inside, and we have 2 park places outside. So we can have 4 cars in here. And I think the next week the other shop is going to be ready and we can go inside in there as well. So if we don't have a lift in there, we can put at least 4 cars inside. So it's perfect. Let me set the camera and let's take everything out and try to arrange a little bit in here. Everything is out from the trunk and from the car. I put everything in here and on the side of this wall because I'm not really sure if I have to move the table when we install the lift. And I've tried to measure 3 meters from that wall till here because I'm pretty sure I need 3 meters from the lift to the front. The car has like 1 meter 50 from the lifting points. I've measured on my car, so just as a reference. So 1 meter 50 is going to be somewhere in here, and I have another 1 meter 50 in here. So I hope I'm not going to mess up with these measurements. Of course, I'm going to ask the guys that are installing the lift how much space do I need in front of the lift for the front of the car. But like I said, I think 3 meters in front of the lift should be enough. This one is done as well. We have the new sink installed. We've broken it a little bit in here, but it doesn't matter because it's for the shop. So as you can see now, we can wash our hands for sure in here. We have a new mirror in there, and we can use this corner as well. And the second car in the shop is the Hyundai Ioniq. I have to inflate this tire. It's showing me low pressure on this wheel, so we are going to start the compressor, put some air in this one. But check this out, we have a strange weather. It's raining and after that it's freezing, so we have a lot of ice. I have a lot of stuck doors like this one. I cannot open it, the trunk and everything. So either way, let's inflate the tire, let's drive home because tomorrow we are going to install the lift. What's this? What is this? I had to come back to clean the snow because I received the new project car sooner than I thought. I didn't even install the lift and the project car is already here. So in a few minutes we are going to receive the new project car for this year or for this month. And I just have to park it inside, and tomorrow I'm going to take it out in order to install the lift. So give me a few minutes to clean this entrance. Today is the day. It's almost 7 o'clock. Minus 9 degrees outside. Let's see. Ooh, perfect starts. We have to drive now in there because the guys are already there. Dude, it's dangerously cold. Everything is frozen. I cannot clean the windshield. The air is blasting at the last position, but it cannot clean the windshield. Minus 9 degrees. The minus degrees are still climbing. See that? Minus 10 we have now. This is a cold day. Everything is completely frozen. Minus 11 now. Check this out. I really like the color. First I thought I'm going to take a blue one or something like that, but this color, I think it's looking way better than the blue or a red one. It's done. We can lift cars now and we can start our journey. I cannot thank Twin Busch enough for the fast delivery, for the fast installation, for the great communication, the email stuff and everything. It was spot on, really. I ordered the lift maybe a week and a half, and I already have it installed in the shop. So thank you once again, Twin Busch. Thank you, Carly, as well. I have a link for you. I have a promo code. If you want to buy a Carly adapter, you will receive 10% off from your orders. And I have to thank all of you because all of you made this possible for me. I'm just a regular guy like everyone else. I like working on cars, and now this is a big step for me. In fact, I have my own shop. So this is perfect, really. I didn't want to close the video without thanking you all for everything, for watching, for everything. This is a milestone for me. I worked years, more than you saw on the YouTube stuff. But I worked years in my front yard, in my backyard, in the garden, on the streets, in the parking lots. And now I have my own shop, and not just this one. I have another one in there. In a few days I'm going to show you the other one. And I think I'm going to show you all the process and all the progress in there as well. I'm going to install in there some lift, one lift I think, and the balancing machine and tire tool. But that will be in the few next episodes, of course. And with this, I think I'm going to close the video in here. In the next episode, we are going to drive in the first project car for this year. If you want to follow my journey, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.